Welcome back, diecast collectors. Today I've got a mixture of awesome things to show you this morning. Actually got an eBay box, lots of goodies that we're going to go through. Just pull those out, look at them as they come out, as well as a few from my local flea market, a couple finds that I want to share with you. Check out number one, this bus by Dinky. Now I would say this is from the 1960s. It also says Meccano on it. Dinky Super Toys, made in England. It's a bit of a larger scale, I think, than the typical 1/64th type Hot Wheels scale, but still quite an interesting piece. Very heavy and very well detailed, so I thought that was pretty cool. It's got the old plastic multi-part tire and rim on it. That's a heavy unit. All the vehicles that you see in the background, those are from my outdoor flea market find video, which was uploaded a couple of weeks ago. Also at the same flea market, this is the different flea market, this strange Corgi toy whiz wheels, Santa pod glowworm, that's what they call it. To me it looks kind of like a Mad Max car, like one of the buggies from the Mad Max movies, and it's got this little figure in there. You can zoom in on him. He's actually quite detailed. Let's see if we can get some detail on that. The engine, the zoomies coming out. Looks a little play worn, which I think is awesome for that piece specifically. Also not quite the normal scale I buy. I'd say that's more like 1/43 or something. Then there's this interesting little piece, and that is a Ford Taunus, made in Germany by CQ. It's got this interesting little flop down tailgate. Simplistic tiny little plastic wheels with jewel headlights. And it says Transit on the front. Kind of a very interesting vehicle that you wouldn't see here in Canada or possibly even North America at all. And yeah, you're probably eyeballing this thing. What a gorgeous piece. You've probably seen it on a few other people's channels. If not, here it is. This is the Hot Wheels 83 Silverado from the 50th anniversary 50 car case or store display set. I'm not really sure what the exact name is because I bought the vehicle loose from a seller on eBay. The shipping for the whole case would have been just insane, so I bought just the vehicle. I think that's what everyone really wants. And personally, from some of the reviews I've seen of the actual display case that this truck comes in, I don't think much of it. I like my Planos a lot better, and this truck is just out of this world awesome. Check out the little details on the license plate, tail lights, the 50th anniversary, so this is brand new for 2018. Love those red line 5-spoke chromy wheels. The headlights are even painted. So I do collect a lot of these. There's really only a few I'm missing, other than the Mexico convention vehicles, which are also crazy expensive. But as we move along, here we go. This is a Lamborghini Diablo, one of my favorite Hot Wheels and actual real cars of all time growing up as a child. I do have this one already somewhere. Not even sure exactly what year that would be, but there it is. Kind of cool. That was just like $1 or $2. So now we're going to get right into this box, and we're basically just going to turn the camera slightly and see what comes out. You guessed it. I don't expect to find these at all in my local stores. These are from the Mopar 8 vehicle set, the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. There's the whole set. Lots of cool cars, but this one is the only vehicle in the set to feature metal body with a metal base, and this is just such an amazing casting. It's one big heavy truck, and first time we've ever seen it with the plastic wheels. I have every other variation of this so far since its release a few years back. They were all premium releases or convention pieces, so this is a rare, interesting thing to find in the $2 range. That one has just got a broken blister, so look at that. I was going to open one anyways, but that just made it so easy. What a beautiful truck. These two trucks along with the Dodge Macho Power Wagon, are among my favorite Hot Wheel castings of all time, actually. In addition to the Lamborghini Diablo. But that's a really nice truck. Love the gloss black. The yellow pin striping with the orange accents. Mopar on the sides. Really cool. So let's see what else we got. This is another cool piece. The GoPro car. Motors. Zoom In it's called. I don't imagine I'll find this one easily in the stores. And I'm actually going to use this because it works with a GoPro. Now I don't have the Hero 5 or the Hero Session or whatever that is. It has little instructions on how to mount your GoPro and exactly which GoPros work with it. It's got a little clip by the looks of it. Sort of, yes, it has a little clip with an arrow indicating which direction maybe to go. I'm not sure. Very cool piece. Solid, heavy, thick metal casting on the base anyways. And plastic upper. This is going to keep your center of gravity at its absolute lowest for any Hot Wheel if you ever mounted a GoPro on. I have mounted GoPros on other Hot Wheel chassis before, but this is going to be great. And I think it's designed perfectly for the track. It's going to have just the right width so that it doesn't wobble in the track. I should have brought a piece out with me, but I forgot what was in this box as we're opening it. Anyways, you're going to see a lot more track footage now that I have this little piece, and from a completely new angle, as I will be buying a new GoPro. I've got a really old GoPro too, so it's about time. More Power Wagons. Alright. Here's another really cool Dodge truck, something new for 2018. The 87 Dodge D100. What a cool piece. That is a really cool truck. Nice, authentic racing tampos on it. And it's quite heavy too, although it does have a plastic base. Be nice to see that in a premium line. Hopefully Hot Wheels does that. Custom Datsun 240Z. This is just one I think I wasn't able to find. I got the blue version. Never found the red version though in my local stores. So another 2018 model there. Lots of packaging. That's it for the box. We'll get that out of the way. Okay, another Power Wagon. So we got 4 Power Wagons. I remember buying 4 now. Custom 77 Dodge van from the 50th anniversary 10 vehicle set. I don't think I got well, I might have got this 10 vehicle. I forget. But anyways, I like that van. Pretty cool looking van. That's going to end up getting opened, I'm pretty sure. It's got the plastic window roof, but I really like that paint combination. It looks very authentic. Painted taillights too, which is awesome for a, like, this is not a premium line. It's just kind of a step up from the base line. Plastic base and whatnot, so pretty cool. Here's a car I know is going to be difficult to find in the stores by Matchbox, the 70 Datsun 510 Rally. And look at the detail on this thing. Who are we kidding? We need to open this up. Need to open up a few of these, but check that thing out. Great details on that. The luggage is painted. The tires painted. There's like a cloth. Really cool casting. And of course it, you know, it's the right size too. Fits in nice with your Hot Wheels. Matchbox and Hot Wheels go hand in hand, as I say. What else? One more vehicle in this box by the looks of it. And that was the Mazda Repu. Cool little red truck. Very cool. So that's my haul for today. And there'll be another one soon as I have a whole nother box. But my battery is about to die on the camera. So, happy hunting. And we'll see you soon.